You are going to love the 2019 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. And is priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, autonomous braking, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, compass, clock, suspension control electronic, child safety locks, power brakes, wireless charging station. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.